Hey everyone, welcome back. So let's understand how you can install Playwright MCP Server in VS Code. So installing Playwright MCP Server in VS Code is very simple. You can follow simply search for the Playwright MCP Server on the playwright.dev official website. In VS Code, you simply click on this install server VS Code. It will ask you to open VS Code and you can follow the prompt there. Okay. You can also do through the CLI install or manual setup. I'll show you the easiest way to go ahead and configure the Playwright MCP Server in VS Code. So in VS Code, you will see that if we go to the extensions, right? So usually you'll have the code here. If you go to extensions, and in case you are not able to see MCP servers listed here, you go to the ellipses here, go to views, make sure that this MCP server is checked, okay, in the views. Only then it will be visible. Now in the MCP server, we can go ahead and filter the Playwright MCP server. So I'll say simply go ahead and say MCP servers, and let's search for the Playwright MCP server. Okay, so you'll see Playwright MCP server is available. You simply click on it. You will see it is officially coming from Microsoft. Click on install and you will see automatically straight away it got added into VS Code and it's ready to be configured. Okay, so if you go to the cogwheel here, which is manage, you will see you have option to start the server, stop server, restart server. So by default, when you install the Playwright MCP server, it is already started. You can stop or restart the server. Okay, you'll see that if I go ahead and start, you will see in the terminal that it is actually going ahead and starting the Playwright MCP server, and it is discovering those tools that are available in Playwright MCP for the web browser automation. If you go further, you will be able to see the configuration. So if you go to show configuration or the JSON configuration, this is where basically the MCP configuration stays. So you'll see that in your profile, you will have the mcp.json file. So if you see this documentation here, wherein we say manual setup. So if you follow this MCP install guide, if you click on this guide, it opens the manual configuration which you can follow. So you can basically create this mcp.json file and then add this configuration, which is basically not required. Okay, but I'm just explaining you to make you aware that there are multiple options, but the easiest one is either you simply click on the install server in VS Code and follow the prompt. So basically if I click on install server, you will see that it will ask to launch VS Code. Okay, so it will open VS Code. I'll open and then it will go ahead and install. All right, so if I say open, it will bring it here and I can go ahead and install it. All right, but I would recommend simply going ahead in the extensions and filter for MCP server, search for Playwright MCP server and install from there. That's the simplest and easiest way to install Playwright MCP server or any MCP server that is available in the VS Code marketplace. Okay, you'll see that not only Playwright, but there are Markdown, Context 7, the GitHub MCP server, Serena, Unity, numerous MCP servers are available here to install. Okay, so that's all about how to install Playwright MCP server. Let's go ahead and use Playwright MCP server and see how this Playwright MCP server is going to help in many of our testing activities that we do on a daily basis. Thank you. See you in the next one.